I have fixed so many disgusting slimes in my career, but today we're taking it to the next level. Every slime that I've fixed so far has come from our slime graveyard, but there's something that I've been keeping from you guys. This is the slime void, where the slimes too disgusting to go in our graveyard are banished, never to return again. Today, I am challenging myself to fix some of these unfixable slimes. These slimes will get progressively harder and harder to fix, and the last one is possibly the worst slime to ever be made at Peachybbies. And the worst part of it is, it was my own creation. This first slime is called Cheese Max, and I'm having trouble even looking at it right now. The only theming that this slime has is cheese. Now, you cheese fans out there might be saying, a cheese slime? That sounds awesome. No, it is not awesome. But because I love you guys and I'm dedicated to my job, I'm gonna try to fix it. This is the perfect opportunity to put this disgusting slime in the mixer. I hate cheese, but the one thing that I love that is made entirely out of cheese is the moon. So I think this is a perfect opportunity to make a very detailed moon-themed slime. So I have our darkest blue dye, then I have our space-scented scent, smells like axolotls in space. And now for the most important step, I need to add in a little cup of activator because not only is this dye gonna deactivate the slime a little bit, so is this scent. So I wanna be cautious and make sure that I'm ready for that. Oh no, that just looks like rotten cheese now. What have I done? It's okay. I think if I just add all the different kinds of colors of blue, it's gotta cancel out the green in there somehow. Now you might be saying, Erin, that doesn't look anything like the moon. And I would say, please don't say that. You're hurting my feelings. I need to make it look like the moon. And the moon has craters. I would think from far away, it kind of does look like the moon. So let's go grab some charms from Charmville. Something about Charmville brings out my southern roots and makes me feel at home. Moon charms, jelly stars. I love jelly stars. These are these new clear stars that we have that I think are really pretty. A rocket ship and this little astronaut waving at you. Today, I'm learning an important lesson about not adding too many charms into my slime because I know from the Fruitopia Galaxy one that ruins a slime and we need to go easy on the moon so that she can be beautiful. Now let's get back to work. I'm gonna start off here with my jelly stars because jelly stars make everything beautiful and perfect. This is actually coming out very cute. This is reminding me of Super Mario Galaxy, those little stars that you collect when you run around. Now we have some of these accent stars. These are new to the Peachybbies shop. Now it's time to add some moons. Rocket ship and a little guy riding his rocket ship. This cheese slime is 10 million times better than it was a couple minutes ago, and I think I absolutely crushed fixing this slime. 10 out of 10, slime is fixed. Let's move on to the next one, which is going to be significantly harder. This is our next slime. I did not banish it to the void personally, but somebody did, and I can see why. So there's a bunch of really weird chunks of clay in here, but this underneath slime has so much potential. It is a green snow fizz, and it's pretty, it's sparkly, it's really well activated. The problem here is that it's disgusting. I want to decipher what these clays are. A bunch of chunks of what looks like vomit. This was supposed to be Anime Forest Fizz. I am 99% sure that this is a failed Anime Forest Fizz, which you can buy right now at peachybbies.com. This is definitely going to be more challenging to fix than our last one because snow fizzes are really heavy slimes. I'm just gonna take a second and really mix this in fully, and then I feel like we're off to Charmville. Let's head over to Charmville and see if I can find all of the correct charms to go in the Anime Forest. So here's the slime, Anime Forest Fizz. It looks like on top, there's a cute cloud, some different flowers, some leaves, and a mushroom. So what we need to get, flowers, mushrooms, leaves, and a cloud. Also, all of these slimes and more are available right now at peachybbies.com. Go get yourself some. We restock every Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here is a huge bag of mushrooms, a couple of little baggies of the red flowers, a baggie of the leaves. All we need now is the clouds, but I feel like since this is the giant version of Anime Forest Fizz, I kind of want giant mushrooms. Look at what I just found. Super secret mushrooms. Don't tell anybody, but I'm gonna take these. I don't want to put them on top of my slime because they're literally perfect. We definitely want this to seem serene. You just walked into a beautiful, mushroom-filled, gorgeous forest. Very sunny day, but there are scattered, beautiful, big, puffy clouds in the sky. And of course, it's springtime, so all of these beautiful leaves are sprouting. This is really quite a nice scene. And I like that I'm giving a storyline to a slime that we sell in the shop. I think that's an interesting new angle that I've never really done before. But now, next time you go out and buy Anime Forest Fizz, you can think of me and how I described the scene to you that one time. I definitely think this new strategy of adding as little charms as possible has been working in my favor. Time for a very pretty mushroom. One mushroom in this corner, another mushroom in this corner. That was a relatively simple fix. You know, this is a lesson that even if things are in the void and they seem too far gone, you can still fix them. Except for maybe our next slime, which I'm gonna go grab right now. Here is our next slime. It is very, 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 very bad. I personally banished this slime to the slime void for good reason too. I never wanted to see this slime again. Once upon a time, about 2 months ago, I made a video where I was adding candles into slime, but this is what it created. There's about 10 full-sized candles in here, disgusting, as you can see. But also this has deactivated over time because it's been sitting for a couple of months. Ooh. Pretty good bubble though. But it has this disgusting coat of wax on top of it. It looks like if a sheep melted, which is not a great image, but it is accurate. I think that this is going to be horrible and I don't want to do it, but I'm going to do it for you guys. This might be too deactivated to put into the mixer at this point. I think that would be a disaster. So I'm gonna grab some activator and see how it reacts. I don't know how wax reacts to activator, but it's probably not the same way that glue would. Let me grab some new gloves. First, let's start off here with the texture. Gotta get this activator all rubbed around. Okay, it's working. It's definitely activating slowly. Oh, remember kids and adults who are watching this video, it's okay to fail. If this doesn't end up the way that I hope it will, that's okay. That is already the third pair of gloves that I have ruined trying to fix this slime. I've decided to go with fuchsia to color this slime because I feel like fuchsia is unique and not used enough. Make a little happy face because we're so happy to be fixing this slime. Artistry, ladies and gentlemen. Now that I have my beautiful pictures drawn on the top of this, time to mix it up. This is impossible.
That kind of looks like oatmeal with berries.
It does kind of look like oatmeals with berries. I'm feeling really defeated right now.
As you should. This literally looks like raw chicken.
You know what? It matches your
Fuchsia.
shirt.
It does match my shirt. Thank you, Anna. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a my shirt themed slime.
What is that?
Anna, you don't want to get your hands in there.
That's disgusting.
It's not gonna go. Oh, thank you,
Why is
Anna.
it so crusty?
Thank you for believing in me, Anna. I really appreciate support and belief from my friends. Thanks, guys. Okay, I feel like I have a new inspiration for what to theme this slime now, thanks to my best buds, Christian and Anna, coming in here and helping me. Anna gave me the idea of berries and oatmeal soup, or my shirt. Christian gave me the idea of hacking it up and going home for the day. Just a little bit more effort and it'll be there. This is the hardest slime I've ever fixed. More activator. You guys, if you've never felt slime before, and if you've never felt this big of a quantity of slime before, let me just tell you, this is not easy, but we're getting somewhere for sure. No matter how much activator I'm adding to this slime, it is not activating it. So I'm gonna do a very stupid thing that you should never do to your slime, and I'm gonna just douse it. If this isn't enough activator to fix this slime, I may have to quit. So I'm sure we've sped this up for the video for you guys, but in real time, this is taking a very long time. I can't do it. Maybe if I had like literally 8 hours to focus on this slime, I might be able to fix it. I expected too much of myself. If you guys want to see me fix this slime and spend 8 straight hours fixing it, get this video to 6,000 likes and I will do it for you, okay? But for now, this slime truly and utterly deserves to be in the slime void, and I can say that with complete confidence. For now, I think it's time for me to take this back to the slime void. It's never easy banishing a slime into the void because it is an admission of failure and what we could not accomplish, but today it's necessary, so join me in the ceremony of sending a slime into the void. Void open!